Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello YouTubers, how are you? I think you are good. My name is MG Sohanur Rahman Sohel, Python tutorial 4. Today I will show you three type of input option. Use of input option. Number 1. For a user write something, we will use the input option. Number 2. Ask a question. Person name and favorite game. Number 3. Program to calculate age. Let's start. Write here a variable name for input option equal to input parenthesis quotes. Write here asking anything. What is your name? Question mark space. Write print statement parenthesis. Write your variable name and run the program. Write here your name looks so at your name. I'm in jail. You can write a message for user. Quotes. Write your message. Thank you so much for participating in this game. And addition your variable name. Run the program. Write here your name. Thank you so much for participating in this game. I'm in jail. Looks there are no space here because we have not given space. Space and run program. Write here your name. Looks thank you so much for participating in this game. I'm in jail. Now let's create this program. Ask a question, person name and favorite game. Then a message. I'm in jail like cricket. Write here another variable. Equal to input option parenthesis ask question. What is your favorite game? Question mark space. Need something change in print option. Space addition quotes space like space addition your variable name. Run the program. Write here your name. What is your favorite game? Cricket. Looks I'm in jail like cricket. Now you will create a program. Ask how much you've grown. After writing your age here, you will be able to calculate your age. Write here a variable name. equal to input parenthesis quotes out year space. Right here age equal to minus birth year. Print option. Age. Now run the program. Enter the year of birth. Here's a problem showing file location and file name. Here's file, but here there are thousands of files to hold. Here's just 2 number lines show error. Type error unsupported operand type for subtraction. Int and str. Int means integer number. Str means string. Circle like to understand. Let's solve this problem. Write here birth year. Four-digit integer number are called string. Integer built into whole number, floating built into decimal number, and boolean built in true or false. Let's solve this problem. Write here parenthesis int and closing parenthesis. Run the program. Enter the year of birth here. See how much you have been calculated. Your age is 32. Thank you so much because you have seen the entire video. In this way, watch all the video and practice. To view the next video, click the subscribe and bell icon. Goodbye.